Well, this is what we got going on now.
Mm-hmm.
And then, if you watch this,
Yeah, the animation, that's what I was looking for a minute
well,
ago.
yeah, that'll do the next 6 hours.
Click on it. You know, I've been rained on before.
Me too, I'm scared.
I ain't scared.
Anyway, fish bite better in the rain. I'm scared. It's gonna take more than some rain to scare me.
Yeah.
I'm scared. Oh, I'm scared when it gets on my phone.